Today we're at Overland Expo Pacific Northwest. One of the greatest features of our events are our ride-alongs and ride and drives. We're going to be testing the tires from Nexen. We're going to be going over the architecture of suspension with Fox. And we're going to be testing out the all-new upgrades from the Ford Bronco. Let's go check it out. A little bit about this course here. What do you got going on?
Yeah, so we've got 3 different vehicles, all equipped with each one is equipped with one of these 3 tires. We designed it to be, user friendly so that the folks attending can actually drive themselves. They're thinking they're going to just ride shotgun, but no, they're actually getting behind the wheel.
Let's do it.
What we're doing here, we're testing out what it feels like to be in a vehicle that is tuned correctly for standard weight. Then we're going to come back in, we're going to put 240 pounds of cement bags on the back of this Jeep. It's going to sag us down. We're going to go out completely unadjusted from there and see how it feels in the vehicle. And then we're going to come back and we're going to put some more clicks into the adjusters to really feel like, will that make that change and fix the problem?
World's different.
Yeah, much flatter. Doesn't take me nearly as much control to kind of keep us on course.
Yep. Felt better, yeah.
Way better.
You're the expert. Give us a spiel as if it was my first time kind of thing. I'm really interested.
The first feature I want to show you guys, I don't think this feature gets talked about enough. You'll notice I switched it to the split screen, so as we went over that side hill, we could actually see the edge of the berm so that I wasn't going off the edge. Well, instead of having to stick my head out to be able to see, I can trust that if I aim these tire lines right there, I know that my tire is going to end up right in that spot.